Mark 1. Beginner Bible Study. Follow the prompts on the screen. Pause the video between reading passages or questions. If you're following this video individually or as a group, be sure to pray before and after the Bible study. The end of the Bible study is a great time to discuss prayer requests. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you find these videos helpful. Before the Bible study, pray to yourself or choose someone in your group to pray. Read Mark 1 to 1:13. Verse 1. When is Mark beginning this book? At the beginning of Jesus' life or his ministry? Verse 2 to 3. What Old Testament verse is being referenced? Verse 2 to 3. Who is this verse talking about? Verse 6. What Old Testament prophet is similar to John the Baptist, and in what way? Verse 7 to 8. Who is John the Baptist saying this in reference to? Verse 9 to 11. How is the baptism of Jesus different in Mark than the other Gospels? Verse 12-13. Why was Jesus led to be tempted in the wilderness after he was baptized? Verse 12-13. How is the temptation of Jesus in the wilderness different in Mark than the other Gospels? Read Mark 1:14-20. Verse 15. What does Jesus mean the time is fulfilled, and how is it fulfilled? Verses 17-20. What made Simon, Andrew, James, and John follow Jesus? Read Mark 1:21-28. Verse 22. Why were people in the synagogue astonished by Jesus' teaching? Verse 24. What did the unclean spirit immediately recognize Jesus as? Verse 25. Why did Jesus command the unclean spirit to be silent? Verses 21-25. What did Jesus demonstrate in the synagogue and with the unclean spirit? Read Mark 1:21-28. Verse 34. What did Jesus also demonstrate he had authority over other than demons? Verse 35. What did Jesus do first thing in the morning? Verse 35. In starting his day with prayer, what was Jesus showing dependency towards? Verse 35. How should this verse alter the importance of prayer in our own lives? Verse 38. Why did Jesus say that he had came out? Read Mark 1:40-45. Verse 40. Did the leper recognize Jesus had the ability to heal him? Verse 40. What was the leper's healing dependent upon? Verses 43-44. Why did Jesus tell the man not to say anything to anyone? How is this similar to what Jesus told the unclean spirit earlier? Verse 44. Why did Jesus tell the man to go show himself to the priests? End your Bible study in prayer. If you're in a group, go around the group asking how you can be praying for each other. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more Bible study videos.